From India, around 4 to 5 crore people are outside India. If you go to any country today, highest per capita income are earning by Indians. Any post locality. Even in America, if you see America, average income of America $55,000 to $60,000, whereas Indian $130,000, more than double. You go to any other, even Australia, any other country, same scenario is happening. As Mohanji Bhagwatji has rightly mentioned always, every couple should have 3 fertility days. This is very important. I am also saying always, we are crossing now slowly replacement level. Everybody, that is our culture. If all of us will think focusing on population by 2047 or beyond 2047, centuries together, that is India time only. Nobody can dominate on the global scenario. That is going to happen.